you a pancake recipe. So we've shared with you a pancake recipe before, but as you know, it wasn't really healthy. It was really just, it had everything, which you might regret later on. So I did want to create something which I personally didn't regret, and I'm hoping that you also like it, because everybody wants to be healthy but still have something that tastes really good and satisfies the craving of having a pancake. So that's why what we're sharing with you today is a high protein vegan pancake. We've used protein powder in here in the recipe, along with whole grain flour, no eggs, so it is vegan, as I said. So do check out this recipe. Hope you like it, and if you do, feel free to hit the like button and do subscribe us. Thank you.
All right, so let's get started in making the healthy protein-filled pancakes. So first off, we're taking whole wheat flour, a bit of all-purpose flour. We've got some baking powder, protein powder. We're using pea protein. We also have some sugar, salt, and almond milk. You can use any type of nut milk if you want to keep it vegan, and of course you can replace it with regular milk if you don't want it to be vegan. We got some water, some milled flax seeds, olive oil, and lastly, optional but nice to have, is vanilla extract. Now we're just going to mix all the dry ingredients. So we've got the flour, the all-purpose flour, the baking powder, and the flax seeds and the protein powder. So we're just going to mix the dry ingredients together and distribute it evenly. You actually don't need any sort of blender or anything for this recipe, and you'll notice that. So in another bowl, we've got the almond milk, and now we're going to add all the wet ingredients. So we've got the vanilla extract, the olive oil will go next, and the water as well. And now we're just going to mix it up, and then once we're going to pour it into the batter. Now here's the trick, guys. We want fluffy pancakes that are not hard or not too chewy. So what you want to do is make sure that you don't overmix and you keep the lumpy batter. That's really the key to all of this. And you can see we're really gently folding the batter and the liquid to mix it just enough. And that's really is, the key thing about this. No mixers needed, no eggs are needed, and it's really straightforward. We're just taking, to be playful, a pan that has a bit of snowflakes kind of pattern. And now we're going to place right in the center here the batter. Just make sure to wait until the bubbles appear before you flip them onto the other side. That will take about 2 to 3 minutes, and the same thing on the other side. And there you have it. Your pancakes that are filled with protein are ready. Remember, these are guilt-free. Do enjoy them with some nice warm maple syrup or any fresh fruits of your liking. And remember, you could always add in more flavor by just using any other type of protein powder. So we've used unsweetened, but you could totally use chocolate protein powder or any type of vanilla protein powder that you may like. So that's it for today. See you next time.